What's up, YouTube? We are back with the Fate of the High One, Part 5, and we're doing Forging a Bond. I'm going to Ivaldi's Forge right now. And what is in here? Nothing. Ah, here it is. Oh, what? Look at Odin. That's me.
Harvey, tell this rump cloud he can't just
I was only curious. I meant no offense. I'm merely a seeker of knowledge.
The dwarves give nothing away for free.
Apologies for the distraction, Master Blacksmith. I'll leave you to your work.
Well, what shall I craft for you today, High One? Bottomless breeches for soiling yourself on the battlefield?
What were you and the builder discussing?
Harvey, my gentle jailer. You know we dwarves give nothing away for free. If you want your question answered, I'll need something in return.
Such as?
A hidden fact known only to you, Farseer. That I may share in your secret knowledge of the world.
I wonder if this is an important choice.
The winds that blow over the sea are stirred by the wings of a great eagle named Helsvig, who sits at the edge of the sky.
Interesting indeed. I've often wondered at its source. So, you asked what that sack of sheep guts was after? He wanted to know how magic affected your Hugr.
Why would he want to know the effect of magic on my spirit?
Not just you, Harvey. The lot of you. Aesir and Vanir alike. I told him to shovel his shit somewhere else. Now if that's all you came to know, you can piss off and let me work.
I have one more need. Can you forge me an unbreakable chain?
Chains are overrated. One weak link and it's worthless. Let me craft a cord that Thor himself could not break.
It must be strong enough to bind a powerful beast.
I will sluice my sweat into this cord, Harvey. All knowledge I have and skill I own will define it. And what will I get in return?
My thanks and my hospitality. What more could you need?
Ugh. You cannot barter with a man who's squeezing your balls.
You may always return to the land of fire, Ivaldi, and die as your brothers did, roasted on a spit.
To craft such a cord, I'll need a few impossible ingredients.
Name them.
The list there. I have a bear's tendon, a fish's breath, and...
A cat's footsteps, and the root of a mountain. How do I find these?
How the fuck would I know? The riddles will guide you.
I have no patience for riddles, dwarf.
Those riddles are as ancient as the world, with lore passed down from Niji and Nidi to Northri and Sudri, Austri and Vestri, Althjover.
I understand. I will return shortly.
What? Alright.
Valin, Beivor, Bavor, Bombur.
He's still going.
What can
I use this for?
Thorin, Thror, Vit, and Lit, Nar and Nyrath, Regin and Radsvider.
Anything in there? Where do you get a cat's foot? If all these riddles are in your inventory quest items. Alright. Oh wait, no, inventory. Over the gate to the Great Norse Hall, the Golden Cat patiently. Gazing upon many tall towers, she'll flee when she is found, but follow without fear, look, leap, and descend. Once she leads you to the end, she may ghost to the ground, land as well, and swiftly steal her sound. Ugh. What? Yeah, so that's supposed to help me find something. Over the gate to the Great Norse Hall. Where's the Gate of Asgard in here? A golden cat says patiently. So let's see. Let us see. Oh my god. He might be up top here.
Stretch your wings.
Where is that? Over there? Where the fuck is it? I just saw it. Ooh, down there something is.
What do you see, Sunan?
Alright. Where are you, cat? Is that a cat or a squirrel? That's totally a cat. Is that it? Do I just grab the cat?
One of Freya's statues. Who put you up here, little cat?
What? I follow the cat?
So that's how it is. Lead the way, nimble one.
Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. He's on the rope. Ah. There he is.
Where are you leading me?
Come back here. This is insane.
Nowhere to go but down. I have it. Who knew you could capture a sound?
What did I capture? I did it. Is there another quest now? Yeah, okay. Now we gotta check. Alright, so we got a cat's footstep. A little easier than I thought. Let's see here. Cradled in. Why can't I click on this? There's a glitch because it's in the hay. Oh, cradled in rock at Asgard's highest height. A seed sleeps in Ymir's cold grip. Warm it awake, bring it to the water for old bone to sprout in your life. Highest point. So we're gonna start here and see if Heimdall's tower is taller. It might be, but I don't think so. This might be on Odin's throne.
What do you see?
Is that higher? I can't climb Yggdrasil, I don't think. I don't think I can go over there. No way that's higher than me. What is this? No, that's it. It's about the attacks. It's there. Yeah, so you can't climb any of this. Alright, I gotta read it again. Height. A seed sleeps in Ymir's cold grip. Warm it away, bring it to water. I really don't know.
Show me what lies
I
ahead.
can't go up here, so I know it's not up here. Can you go into Yggdrasil? This is rough. So you can't. I literally have no clue.
Ef þú sért smá svöng. Passa þú þig!
How am I? Could that be it? I'm thinking it's Heimdall's tower, but I'm pretty sure I can't climb that either. We're gonna go check, see if I find anything with the bird. I don't know why my horse won't run. Or deer. He's running ridiculously right now. It's pissing me off. Jump. Jump. Go! Fuck this thing. Come back. Let's see if you run faster on this bridge. There you go. That's what I like to see. Let's go!
I need your eyes, my friend.
I know Odin's throne is like the highest spot in Asgard though, so like I don't know, it's not coming up on my bird marker. It's not over here either.
Show me.
Nothing. I can't climb this. I don't see it. I know I can't get up there. I'm gonna try again. I'm pretty sure I can. I don't know. I really don't know.
Be my eyes, Sunan.
Like, what could be higher than that? Nothing, but I can't climb it. And the bird thing didn't show nothing. This? This one has a flight path. I know I can get on it. Well, we're gonna try. Oh my lord. Make me run all over for a root of a mountain. What if I use this teleporter? I hope it takes me that way. Not over the other way. I'm blind. No, that was kind of pointless. Oh, actually, no. It's definitely better. Down the mountain we go. That's gotta be it. Maybe it meant like mountain peak and not just any old peak. If I die from that. You know. I'm assuming the one with the flight path is the highest. If it's not this, and it's not that other mountain, I have no clue. I'm looking it up. Oh damn, don't kill me. Wow, that is a tall mountain. Okay, we'll just start at the bottom.
This is the mountain I seek.
Yes!
There's no higher peak.
They should have worded that differently. They should have said mountain peak. Because I don't know. I would have known to look for a mountain.
Have a look, Sunan.
I really gotta go all the way up there, huh? Well, I guess I'll have to fast travel now. Oh my. Look how close I am to Yggdrasil. Being a hooga.
This looks like the right place. There's the seed in the mountain's rocky grip.
There was
Some
an
heat
egg.
may free it from its shell. The seed will not sprout root until I get it into some water.
Huh. Wait. While I'm fucking here. How do I get down from here? With a rock. No! No, the rock! What happened? Oh my god, it came back. Oh wait. Do I just toss it at water?
I must retrieve the root for Ivaldi.
Yes! I lost it. It's gone.
I must retrieve the root for Ivaldi before it takes hold. What see you, old friend? Let's see what you can make of these, Ivaldi.
I got it. Oh, little thing. Listen now. Oh my god, I'm still really high up. This gotta be a way off. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nice. Nice. Hello, wolves. You mustn't want beef with me. Actually, fastest way. This was one of the harder quests in this so far. How about I gotta find more shit?
Wat wanden aan het kruip. Je hebt altijd overwerkt.
Ivaldi. Ivaldi.
Aha! I know a cat's footfall when I hear one.
I found everything you asked for.
Let's go.
How soon can you finish this unbreakable cord?
As soon as it wants to be made. You cannot rush this kind of magic. It flows with a speed all its own.
Find me as soon as it's ready.
By the way, after we spoke of the Hugger, a cousin came by with his own spirit tale. I don't trust coincidence, so this one's free.
What did he say?
He told me his sister's husband Borin drank a mead brewed in Jotunheim, and it sent his Hugger into a goat.
The spirit of a dwarf in the body of a goat?
Stranger still, his sister didn't even notice. Heavy!
Freya's pissed.
Don't drag me into this.
The tower is nearly finished.
Do not fret. The final hours are ticking down.
Not fast enough. I feel the jaws of a trap closing upon me.
Knowing you are in a trap is the first step to avoiding it.
You don't care if I'm married off to this builder, do you?
Have no fear, Freya. Whatever things transpire today, you marrying the builder will not be among them.
At least have the sense to admit you betrayed my trust.
I was wrong to use you like that. I will confront the builder and pry the truth out of him.
A limp apology, but it will suffice for now. Once the Builder is dealt with, turn your spear on Loki. Every chance he had, he dug us deeper into this mess.
If Loki is up to something, I will see to it that he is punished. Blood Oath be damned.